Hi students, how are you? There are a lot of confusions in the students, so I have to come with a video about the confusion. Okay, so many people are thinking that there will be postponed in exam in NEET and JEE, and some people are feeling that it will be conducted on time. Okay, so let them think anything. First, you should be clear about your own self. Are you ready uh, to face the exam if it is conducted on the date or not? Okay, so if both of the students I will give an advice, so that advice is going to be as per you will take advice as per yourself. So this is applicable to every student. For those who are prepared for present exam, how to approach. If they wanted that it has to be postponed, then also I will tell you the another advice. And don't forget that I am not a YouTuber, I am not here for the views, and I am just a faculty, an educationalist. I want that all students should be in a good mood to study. Okay, so don't think otherwise. And if you want to help your friends also for the good advice I am going to give you, please forward this to them also. Okay, so this is not a commercial and this is not a clickbait. If I wanted that, I can do it in many ways. Only my sincere advice to students community, and I will tell you as a not as a reporter, as not as a YouTuber. I am going to inform you, I am going to tell you as a faculty member. Okay, so first, two types of categories I am making. What if you wanted to postpone, what if you don't want to postpone, and currently. Okay, so frankly speaking, there are a lot of news coming out that PIL and case has been done on the for the postpone of the examination. And for your kind information, there is also one more case by the some parents of the Gujarat to keep the exam on the same date, because many students are stopped studying and it is going to distract their life. Okay, and if they get less time in this academic year, it is going to affect their life in full also. So for that, what they have done, they have filed a case to conduct the examination on the same date, but that will not be brought into limelight. Many few people don't know that and don't want to tell you. Okay, you people are in the very adolescent age where negative things will attract, and it is going to affect your life, which you will realize. It is not that you will not realize, you will realize, but by the time everything is going to be in dark. Okay, so both ways I will tell you. So watch the video till last and I will tell you some tips how to approach in this scenario. Okay, so there are two cases. One is to conduct on time and there is one is to conduct after postponement after COVID-19 effect. Okay, so government is taking both the things very seriously. Already you have seen KSET is conducted on date, but there are some problems. Some students with COVID-19 also participated in examination. There is a spread and there are a lot of complications in maintaining the social distancing. Okay, so there are some proposals also how to how to avoid gathering at the examination place, and how to increase the number of centers, how to maintain the social distance during the examinations. Okay, but that case it was limited to only one state, but you can say around 70 to 80% success. So but central government will take that 70 to 8% success as a, and improve that 20 to 30%, or they don't want to take risk. It is in the decision of the central government, because NEET and JEE is conducted by the central government, so it will think in all aspect recently what happened and what are the remedies. There are two remedies with the government, that they may postpone or they may conduct with the utmost care. So which way they will go? So they are in the conversation with the many educationalists. If they wanted to conduct on the time, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages? Advantage is they are going to get good time in the coming academic year after selection and seat allocation. And second advantage is there is lot of students are distracted from the studies, so that is going to create a problem to the parents as well as their life also. Okay, so these are the two advantages. What disadvantage is, there may be spread of the COVID-19. Okay, so that COVID-19 can be arrested, can be stopped by maintaining the proper hygienic conditions at the examination center, as well as giving them suggestions how to approach. Okay, so both way which they are going to finalize, both cases are in pending in the Supreme Court. So what Supreme Court will decide is depending on the what the central government and NTA is going to give the feedback to the Supreme Court. Okay, that is all to the higher level. And what you can do, suppose if you don't want that examination is to be postponed, you wanted that it is to be conducted on the same date, then what you should do? First that I will tell you. If you want postpone, then I will tell you in the afterwards. Okay, so try to read the both instructions, try to listen to the both instructions very carefully, because you may change your decision according to my way of explanation. Okay, so first thing, if you are ready for the, when you should be ready for the present examination. Okay, so if you feel that you have done very less mistakes in the previous examinations, and you are almost 60 to 70% prepared for the examination, and as if it is conducted in the next week, so you will be able to score 60 to 70% correct answers, then you should be definitely you should be ready for the examination to be conducted as per the present date. Okay, so for that what you will do, at least you can plan till the end of this month or first of the September. So for what you have to do, you got 24 hours. Okay, in a day, every human being, let it be Superman, successful man or a failure, everybody got only 24 hours. The success and Superman and failure depends only upon how they plan and how they execute. Okay, so this is my sincere planning to all the students who wanted that examination to be conducted on the same date. First, take the 40% of the syllabus which you feel very difficult in all the subjects, let it be bio, maths, chemistry, physics. In all subject, take 3 to 4 5 hours of recapitulation, what chapter, what are the topics, and it should not exceed more than 40%, because we have a limited time now. Okay, by September 1st you should be prepared. If examination is conducted on the next day also, you should be prepared, then only this plan is going to be successful. Okay, so we got around 20 to 25 days. 20 days you can consider. So 20 days if you consider, according to 20 days, I hope if you utilize the 24 hours of a day, how to utilize that I will give you the plan also. So how to utilize that I will give you plan. In this 20 days, I hope you can cover maximum up to 40% syllabus only. So that depends 40% what? That depends upon your capability. Okay, your caliber. So which topics you left in the previous examinations, which topics you felt that it is difficult and you will not be able to manage in the present situation. So segregate that 40% of syllabus. So two things you have to consider for selecting the topics. First thing, which you neglected and left before examination. Second thing, which requires brushing up your skills. Okay, so separate them and plan the total 24 hours as a first 6 hours. At least this 20 days you can have a sound sleep of 6 hours. Then you are left with how many? 18 hours. In 18 hours you waste 9 hours, no problem, but properly you should maintain the 9 hours of proper study. Okay, so I will separate into 3 parts, 3 subject and 3 parts. So 9 hours of study, you should divide it into the 2 parts, 4.5 hour and 4.5 hour. Okay, 4.5 hour for the passive study, 4.5 hour for the active study. What do you mean by passive study and active study? Passive study means you will study from the book or you will listen to the video lectures. Okay. So each subject divide 3 hours. In that 3 hours also how many parts? 2 parts. 1.5 hour for passive study, 1.5 hour for the active study. Okay. So that passive study you can it depends upon the chapter. If there is any chapter you can understand from the books or PDF, then you can go through that. Otherwise you select a mentor which can give you the guidance in that part. Let it be any part like optics, mechanics, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So you select properly after searching many videos. In the YouTube there are many channels and many videos, and people are blindly going for the maximum views. It is not like that. If people are in the YouTube for a longer period, if suppose 2 years, 3 years in the span they are in the YouTube channel, so definitely they are going to have the more views. And very frequently, very recently, few faculty also joined YouTube like me also. Okay. So that number of views may be less. Obviously, if I posted a video recently in my Whichchem YouTube channel, so 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, so that time what happens? Obviously, number of views will be less. If the same topical video is posted and Varest also, but it is 2 years back, definitely the number of views going to be higher. So don't judge the quality by the number of views. Judge the quality that adapted to you or not. Some faculty will be there which is teaches high level, which will never come into the examination, even not in the syllabus, only for the views. Some faculty will be there, they will simplify the very topical subject limited to our NCERT, limited to our examination syllabus, and focuses on the examination questions, and they will give you the PYQs, previous year questions also after the chapter, theory session, numerical session like I do. Okay, so that there are some mentors who will make the subject simplified. So certain students think that we are able to understand, so it is easy and it will not come the examination. It is not like that. Don't think that you are not a foolish person. Okay, if you are understanding, it may be due to your capability also. Okay, so divide that 1.5 hour for passive study and 1.5 hour for the active study. Okay, so if you want that 1.5 hour passive study also, 1 hour for the video lectures and half an hour for the theory reading, and rest 1.5 hour you should take 2 things. What are those 2 things? Previous examination books, and second NTA Abhyas paper. Okay, so every day at least half an hour you should do the one of the best paper of the NTA. If you are going for the NEET, go for the NEET NTA test. Lot of tests are uploaded in the NTA Abhyas, because that is the source where you are going to get actual questions available in the question bank. Okay, and 1 hour you will segregate for the previous examination questions. So then you will finally ready for that topic on the same day. That must be the situation after 9 hours, 3 subject, that topic. If the question comes, definitely 100% sure to solve that question. Okay, because I am talking about only 40% syllabus. So if you are 100% in 40%, definitely you are going to get the seat in this year only. Okay, so this is my suggestion to all those students who have opted to write the examination on this examination date only without postponement. Okay, and if you wanted that postponed, then what you have to do? There are 2 ways. One, you can also file a case in the Supreme Court. Otherwise you can use the social media. Okay, so social media, again Twitter. So Twitter is the best option. Already students have filed tweeted many tweets. Last I think I will tell you that date also, because I wanted that everything should be confirmed to you people, then only I will come to you. Okay, so after thorough research on the present category and going through the in the social media, legally, everywhere, after approaching and making sure that this news is authenticated, then only I will come to you. Okay, so lot of force was there on me regarding the postponement of the examinations or make a video, but I don't want that wrong news should be given to the students. Okay, so there is a already there is hashtag NTA postpone NEET JEE. Already this was posted previously also and trended with 664k tweets. 664k tweets was the Twitter handle was hashtag NTA postpone NEET JEE. I will give it in the my video also, so you can, again they are planning for tomorrow means Monday, between 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. let's make this hashtag as a number one trending hashtag in the number one. Okay, and we are this time they are targeting with 1 million tweets. Previously it was stopped almost around 664 kilo. Okay, so that many tweets only they stopped. So this is the one of the easiest way, and if whichever field you want, kindly forward this video to your friends, so that on this Sunday, on this day, they can make a decision either this side or this side. I am not on any other side. I am only can give you the suggestions as per your pattern. Okay, if you are below, if you are not confident to get 60% at least by this time, then you should go as per the postpone procedure. Okay, so I hope you understood this video, and let us make this video also viral and make a good comments, and so that I can get motivated to make such videos whenever I get information with the probable information, and I can get motivate you also. But I think everybody, it's your responsibility to share at least 4 to 5 persons this video, so that they can also understand the current situation, because lot of confusion in the students, lot of persons are making YouTube videos with a lot of wrong information, wrong direction. Okay, so because they are YouTubers or some news channel, they want only TRP ratings, but here as an educationalist, as a faculty member, I want that truth should reach to the students. And if you feel that it is authenticated and good, give a like to this video, and don't forget to share it to 5 to 6 students. See you. Bye bye.